Hi guys, today I'm going to be making slime here. This slime is not yet finished that you see here. You do see that it's pretty sticky. And I have to get my bowl cleaned out so I can make the slime. I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, I am back and today we're going to be making thick, fluffy slime just like this one. It's going to be really thick, but it's going to be fluffy. So, let's make it. So, I have this container here. You can probably see some little old stains from the last time I made, which is the other one over here. And you're going to need some shaving cream, which you probably can't see. I'm using Barbasol or something, and I'm going to be using some Elmer's glue here and some Tide. I can't take the Tide out right now because it's already open. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your glue. I'm just going to pour that in. Has a glue farts. Oh my god, that was a big one. I'm really trying to get all this glue out because I don't want to waste any. Given the fact that I don't really want to waste any money. I want to make a good price of this because I didn't even buy this. So I did about this. I'm really trying to make sure I get every bit out. So there, I'm just going to mix that everywhere. You're going to need a fork to mix because the fork is what give it that thickness. You need a fork. And by the Tide, I mean when I mean Tide, I want you to get the $1 Tide. It's gonna have like a little blue top. It's gonna be like in a yellow bottle. So yeah, get that. After you mix up that and get that all together, we're gonna put in our shaving cream. Okay. That should be enough shaving cream. The shaving cream makes it fluffy and it's gonna make it stretchy. And it's also gonna make it thick and also going to make it a lot more slime. And add just a little bit more. That should be enough. So there we go. And then I'm gonna put in my detergent. So I'm gonna put a lot more than what I just put on there. So, but yeah, I'll put a little at a time, not too much, because it's not gonna be thick like you want it. And you're gonna mix it slowly. And you have to mix it slowly so it can get thick while you're doing it. So you just mix until you can't see any more detergent. And once you can't see no more detergent, mix just a little bit more. Because once you mix just a little more, it will make it more thick. All around the side. Don't mix with your hands yet, because it's not quite to that point, even though it looks like it. So once this starts getting really thick, Then just keep mixing, but mix it really fast. So get it off my finger. Now it's to the point where you can start kneading. So I'm gonna take it out of the thing, little container. But you're probably gonna need to bring the container back later on. So I'm gonna take it out for right now. It's very sticky, as you can see, very sticky. So this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna have to get this all off my hands. So yeah, you can poke it, as you can see. This is really thick. I love it. I love it. It's really fluffy and thick. Nice and thick. But it's not done yet because you still want to add some more detergent due to the stickiness. So I'm going to bring back my container. I'm going to put that slime back in there. My camera, focus. Focus. Wait. So I'm going to put the detergent. I'm going to put the detergent around the slime because there is some other glues and stuff that is not mixed in. But I want to mix it with your hands. Don't try to mix it in the spoon or anything. So mix it with your hands. So, yeah. It's gonna start once you put a little bit more in there, it's gonna start acting like trying to separate it. It's gonna try to separate itself. So just that's it right there. So just let it sit right there for a little while, and yeah. Alright, I'll let it sit for a little bit, at least 30 seconds, and they just take it out, and you knead it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to knead it up here so you guys won't be able to see me kneading it. I'm not really kneading, I'm just squeezing it. Just squeeze it, that's all you need to do. Just squeeze it and put it in. Yeah, don't knead it. And then, looks like getting a little bit too hard to knead. Then you start kneading. So what I did last time, see how it's not stretchy now. So what I did last time, my other slime, I had, hold up. My other slime, I had a little bit glue left, so I'm gonna put that in. Alright, I had just some little drops of glue. I really hope you guys can see. My camera focus right there. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to knead it this time. Not squeeze it, but knead it. Now, I really hope that this is not a fail because I might have, may or may not, squeeze it too much than my other slime. So this is slime number 2. Let me bring out slime number 1. Slime number 1 is a little less thicker than slime number 2. You can see how it just melts, but it's thick at the same time. You see how this one just doesn't melt much, but it's not as good as slime number 2. So basically, yeah. So you just let this sit for a while and it will come back, I'm sure. Alright guys, so this is my finished result. Probably can't see it because my camera's not focusing. But it's pretty stretchy, so yep. So that's how you make thick fluffy slime. See you guys later. Bye.